Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So as you can see, this is a flower. So today we will discuss about the structure of flower.
Flower is a shoot modified for reproduction. Flower bears reproductive organ as well as other essential parts. Androecium is the male reproductive world and gynoecium is the female reproductive world. So as these both the reproductive structure are essential for the fertilization process.
So as you can see, the green color structure, the green color leaves that are present at the base of the flower are the sepals. As you can see on both the sides, this green leaf-like structure is sepal. So what is the function of the sepal? Yes, sepal protects flower in the bud stage. Sepal plays a very important role to just protect the flower that is inside in it. Here, these are the filament. You can see here, this stalk-like structure are the filament. And on the filament, there is a presence of one more structure, which is bilobe structure, are known as anther. So these are the anther which are present on the filament. And this anther and filament together are known as male reproductive part. So this is the male reproductive part of the flower. Here, this colored part, which is very essential to attract the insect, and that lead to the process that is pollination. So the function of this petal is to attract insect for the further process of pollination. Here,
as we represent both male reproductive part and female reproductive part in one flower, so this indicates the bisexuality. So bisexual flower are those flowers that contain both male and female reproductive part. For example, sunflower, hibiscus, or
this is the female reproductive part. So let's start with the female reproductive part. So the topmost part, which is very sticky in nature, are the stigma. So it usually provides the base for the pollen grains, and further the process of fertilization take place as the pollen move or grow on the stigma, and there is development of pollen tube from here, and then pollen tube reach this ovary and further the fertilization take place. So this stalk-like structure below the stigma is style, and the swollen part at the base is the ovary. So stigma, style and ovary together known as female reproductive part of the plants or of the flower. So inside the ovary there is a presence of ovules. So ovules are always present inside the ovary in the angiospermic flowers.
so pollination refers to the process where pollens are transferred from anther to the stigma of the female reproductive part. This process is known as pollination, whereas fertilization is the fusion of male gamete. As you know that this pollen the pollen tube of this pollen contain two male gamete, so that male gamete fuse with the egg cell, and that is known as fertilization. So when this ovary attained maturity, it converted itself into fruit. So ovary converted into fruit, and ovule that is inside in the ovary, it is converted into the seeds. So ovary turns into fruit and ovules turns into seed. This is all about flower. Thank you.